Radhika. I will tell you a story. Once upon a time, they lived two best friends, Jack, Lucio. They were very good friends. One day they were playing. They decided to go one day they were playing kite, and they always threw their times. One day they go to a forest to live there, and Lucia was trying to catch a kite, and Lucia was watching an ant, and Lucia fell down in the well so high. Lucia don't know how to swim in the water pond. And then Jack saw the red bucket. Then there is a rope. He takes the rope and a bucket to Lucio came back too, and they both told to their mother and father, and then they told to everyone, but they don't know how he has take bucket and then he got injured. And then Peter uncle laughed and said, "Ha ha ha! You don't know the prodigal. If you will get this, then Peter uncle said, why? And one day Lucio fell into a well. He don't know how to swim in it. And then what happened? Then he pulled a bucket, and then Lucio came, and they become best friends. If you are learning, if you are learning and learning, if you can do, first do in like this. If you can do and not this one, it's bad. What if you want to what have any money to write? If you can do it.